Hi, everyone. My name is Brandon, and I am the AP English Literature Consultant at Western Kentucky University this summer. And I'm really excited to see you on Western's campus because I am fortunate enough to be faculty at Western. I get to work with English and education. I spent many years as a high school teacher teaching AP English Language and AP English Literature. I've consulted for both AP English Language and AP English Literature for many years now. And I look forward every summer to getting to spend time on campus with you and others like you who are traveling for the summer to come and learn about the course, maybe expand your skills about the course, and challenge yourselves in different ways. So thank you so much for taking this on. I'm really looking forward to our time together. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team at Western. They will also be sharing some information from me in the form of a letter and some other things that will allow you to have an idea of what we'll be doing, what you will need, and so on. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you this summer.